Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for the beginners of fitness. What I mean by this is you might be scrolling through YouTube or scrolling through Instagram and seeing these insane HIIT workouts. HIIT stands for high intensity interval training, and sometimes these workouts can be really intimidating, really hard on your knees, and if you're a beginner at fitness, it kind of just intimidates you and you don't want to work out because you see it and it looks way too hard and you know that you can't do it, so it gets discouraging. I really wanted to show you guys a video that you guys can do if you are just starting out in your fitness journey so you can experience high intensity interval training workout because it's a little bit easier on the body and you'll really start to understand how HIIT workout means without it being too intense. So let's get right into it. We're going to start each move for 30 seconds with a 30-second break. So each move is 1 minute. So in high intensity interval training, you actually want to progress by lowering your rest time. So if you guys are really already used to this kind of video, if you've done it a couple times, then what I want you guys to do is not rest for 30 seconds like I am in this video, rest for 25 and then rest for 20 and then rest for 15. And that's how you get better at high intensity interval training workout. So you can either A, engage your work time. So if we're gonna do high knees, you do them for 40 seconds with a 20-second rest, and vice versa. I think you guys will get that, hopefully. All right, let's get right to it. All right, the first move we're gonna do is a stutter step, high knee. And again, go at your own pace with all of these moves. If you guys wanna go faster or slower, A-okay, just keep on moving. All right, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1. High knee, up, high knee, up. Use your arms, great. Inhale, and exhale. Wonderful. Good posture. Ready. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Inhale. And exhale. 30-second break, but don't stop moving. So keep moving your feet right here. Inhale. And exhale. The next move, what we're gonna do, not a basic jumping jack, we're gonna do a push jack right there. And you're gonna pause. Push jack, pause. Push jack, pause. Okay, so here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Push jack, pause. Abs really tight. Squeeze your tummy. Great. Wonderful work. Push out. Squeeze those biceps. 3, 2, 1 more. Relax. 30-second breather. Inhale up and exhale. The next move, what I want you guys to do, we're just gonna squat, walk across 2 times and jump, a really tiny jump. And again, if you guys can't, fully jump, okay, just raise on your calves right here. So 1, 2, and jump, just like that, okay? Ready? Beginner, but I'm even breaking a sweat over here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, tiny baby jump. We're just lifting our booty off the ground just a little bit. Great work. You guys can even get lower with that squat walk. That's even better. Challenge yourself. Great. Let's do 1 more. Relax. Great work. Inhale up. 30-second break. Shake it off. Don't stop moving. Don't keep moving. Don't stop moving. Great. Inhale and exhale. Next move, we're just gonna do standing crunches, all right? So bring that elbow to your knee right there. Just like that. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Good posture. Shoulders back. But engage your tummy as you come down to reach towards that knee. It's like a standing crunch. So pretend you're actually on the ground crunching, the same movement that you would do. Great for our abs, but great cardio. Wonderful. Ready? 3 and 2, 1. Inhale up and exhale. All right, shake it off, shake it off. The next move, so this is a little bit of a variation of a jump squat because jump squats are a little bit challenging, even for me. Go up and you blast off. So we're gonna do a little bit of an easier version. Instead, we're gonna go down right here. So you're gonna start just regular position standing with your feet together and then jump out and then walk it back together. Jump out, walk back together. Here we go, starting now. Out, walk, out, walk. Great. So you're kind of just jumping into that squat position. Again, go at your own pace. Wonderful. You want to slow it down? Totally fine. All right, last one. Right here, let's do one more. Relax. Inhale. And exhale. All right, the next variation, instead of jumping lunges like this, you know, because they're a little bit challenging, we're just gonna hold straight just like this, a static lunge. So just bend down and up. So 30 seconds each side. We'll take a break in between, but inhale up and exhale. Here we go, starting in 3, 2, static lunges. Great. Great variation of those jump lunges, because sometimes those jump lunges can be really hard on your knees. Great work. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Relax. All right, shake that leg off, shake that leg off. All right, here we go. About a 20-second more break, and we're switching legs. Inhale and exhale. Walk in place. How are you guys feeling? I hope you're feeling good. All right, get in lunge position. Other leg back, whatever leg that you weren't working before. And starting in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Static lunge down, up. Wonderful. Great. Ready? 3, 2, let's do one more. Relax. Inhale, 30-second breather, and exhale. All right, last move, so give it your all. Let's do it, let's finish strong. All right, so skaters, the challenging one is like this. You're gonna jump to each leg and touch that toe. Instead, we're not doing a jump, but same movement, touch that toe, and stay low, just like that. So no jumping skaters. All right, starting. And 5, 4, 3, I'm dying. 2, 1, here we go. Touch that toe, no jump, stay low. That rhymes, here we go. That rhymes too. Here we go. And we're halfway through, and this is your last move. And last one, right here, wait, one more. And relax. Shake it off, shake it off. Inhale up. And exhale. Wonderful work, you guys. That was your beginner HIIT workout. Ha! And I'm not sure how beginner it was because that was a little bit challenging for me. Hope you guys really enjoyed that workout. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Katie Austin, Twitter at Katie Austin, Facebook Katie Austin, and then my new website is katieaustin.tv. So I'm still Get Fit with Katie. If you type that in, it'll just redirect you to katieaustin.tv. But I have so many videos on my website. I have over 85 in-home workouts. So if you guys like this workout and you want some more, make sure to check out my website and my program. Bye guys.